Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Guest safety is our #1 priority. There are certain weather circumstances that may cause the entire park to close earlier than scheduled or not open at all. If rain, wind or electrical storms force us to close certain rides for your safety, they will reopen as soon as safe operations can be assured.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Selfie sticks, monopods, and similar devices are not allowed inside Six Flags parks. Six Flags Magic Mountain is a smoke-free environment. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes, e-cigarettes, is permitted only in areas identified as designated smoking areas.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.